In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved article drafts on the LinkedIn publishing platform. To get started, make sure you have your preferred web browser open and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your account. Now, if you have your login credentials saved, you can smoothly click on the Sign In option using Google or Microsoft. Alternatively, you can manually enter your email address and password. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you. If you've set up two-factor authentication for added security, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your account, so watch out for a text message with a verification code on your phone. Go ahead and enter that code to make sure your login is secure. Once you've successfully logged in, we can move on to locating those precious drafts. To do this, begin by navigating to your LinkedIn profile. As you scroll through, keep an eye out for an option that reads, Write an article. This button is usually found right on your profile page, and clicking it is your gateway to the LinkedIn publishing tool where all your content creation magic happens. Once you're inside this amazing space, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Manage. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal a list of options. From these options, you'll want to select Drafts. Upon selecting Drafts, a dedicated section for your saved pieces will open up. It's like a neat little library where all your unfinished articles reside, waiting for you to either complete or organize them. As you explore the draft section, you'll see all your unfinished works lined up, just waiting for your attention. If you see a draft that you'd like to continue working on, simply click on it to dive back into the creative process. Alternatively, if you've decided that some drafts are no longer worth keeping, there's an option for that as well. Just click on the More icon, usually represented by 3 dots, which will allow you to make decisions like editing or even deleting drafts that you feel are no longer necessary. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to manage your unfinished LinkedIn articles. Whether you're returning to complete a writing project or just keeping your drafts section tidy by removing unnecessary ones, you'll find the process straightforward and satisfying. Thank you for spending some time with me today. Now you're all set to organize and manage your LinkedIn drafts like a pro. Your time and creativity are valuable, so keep those ideas flowing.